The B-21 Raider is the most advanced bomber ever built, a technological marvel designed to ensure the United States maintains global air superiority for decades to come. Developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Air Force, the B-21 is a sixth-generation stealth bomber that is set to replace aging aircraft like the B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit. Officially unveiled in December 2022, this bomber is the result of years of top-secret research and development. The B-21 was built for deep penetration missions, allowing it to bypass enemy defenses, deliver precision strikes, and operate undetected in the world's most hostile airspaces. It is designed to carry out both nuclear and conventional attacks, ensuring America's strategic dominance in modern warfare. Unlike previous bombers, the B-21 was designed from day one to be the ultimate stealth aircraft. While the B-2 Spirit was a breakthrough in stealth technology when it was introduced in the late 1980s, the world has since changed. Modern air defense systems, such as advanced radar networks, hypersonic missiles, and AI-powered detection systems, have made traditional stealth aircraft more vulnerable. To counter these threats, the B-21 features next-generation stealth capabilities, including advanced radar-absorbing materials, composite structures, and a highly optimized flying wing design that reduces its radar cross-section to an unprecedented level. One of the most critical advantages of the B-21 Raider is its global reach. It is designed to have an extreme long-range capability, meaning it can strike anywhere on the planet without requiring in-air refueling. This provides the U.S. military with an unmatched ability to launch attacks from its homeland without depending on forward-deployed air bases, which could be vulnerable in a major conflict. The aircraft is also built to operate from a variety of airfields, including those with minimal infrastructure, making it highly versatile and capable of rapid deployment anywhere in the world. Another revolutionary feature of the B-21 is its AI-driven capabilities. While it is designed to be piloted by a human crew, the aircraft can also operate autonomously, making it one of the first bombers with full AI-assisted mission capabilities. Artificial intelligence and machine learning play a crucial role in enhancing its situational awareness, mission planning, and threat detection, allowing it to make split-second decisions in combat scenarios. This means the B-21 is capable of operating in high-risk environments, where traditional bombers would struggle to survive. The B-21 is not just a bomber, it is a networked warfare platform. Unlike previous bombers, which primarily functioned as independent strike aircraft, the B-21 is designed to operate as part of a fully connected combat system. It will seamlessly integrate with other military assets, including fighter jets, reconnaissance drones, satellites, and cyber warfare units. This networked approach allows the B-21 to share real-time battlefield intelligence, coordinate strikes with other aircraft, and even direct autonomous drone squadrons to conduct reconnaissance or electronic warfare operations. The B-21's combat capabilities are unmatched, making it one of the most lethal aircraft ever built. It is dual-capable, meaning it can carry both nuclear and conventional weapons. This ensures that it plays a crucial role in strategic deterrence, helping to prevent conflicts by demonstrating America's ability to strike with overwhelming force if necessary.
The B-21 will be able to deploy a wide range of weaponry, including precision-guided bombs, hypersonic weapons, and next-generation nuclear payloads. Its modular payload system also allows for future upgrades, ensuring that the bomber remains at the cutting edge of military technology for decades to come. The B-21 also introduces revolutionary cost efficiency in stealth bomber design. One of the major challenges of the B-2 Spirit was its extremely high operational costs, which limited production to just 20 aircraft. The B-21 is built with affordability in mind, utilizing more efficient manufacturing processes and modern materials to reduce maintenance and sustainment costs. This means that the U.S. Air Force can build and operate a much larger fleet of B-21s, ensuring greater combat readiness and availability in future conflicts. When comparing the B-21 Raider to other bombers, it becomes clear that it is a generation ahead of anything else in the world. The B-2 Spirit, while still an effective stealth bomber, lacks the advanced AI integration, networked warfare capabilities, and cost efficiency of the B-21. The B-1B Lancer, while fast and capable of carrying a large payload, is not stealthy, making it vulnerable to modern air defenses. The B-21 is designed to combine the best elements of both aircraft, offering stealth, endurance, and multi-role flexibility in a single platform. Russia and China are both working on next-generation stealth bombers, but They remain years behind the United States in this technology. Russia's PAKDA, which is still in early development, has yet to demonstrate any operational capabilities. China's H-20, which is expected to be China's first stealth bomber, remains shrouded in secrecy, with no confirmed prototypes or test flights. Meanwhile, the B-21 is already built, undergoing testing, and preparing for its first flight, giving the U.S. Air Force a clear advantage in strategic air power. The B-21 Raider's first test flight is expected in 2024, and the U.S. Air Force plans to begin full-scale production shortly thereafter. The goal is to have at least 100 bombers deployed by 2027, with the possibility of expanding the fleet further. This would make the B-21 the most numerous stealth bomber ever produced, ensuring that the United States maintains global air dominance well into the future. The B-21 Raider represents the future of air warfare, combining next-generation stealth, extreme long-range capabilities, AI-driven operations, and advanced weapon systems into a single aircraft. It is designed to dominate enemy defenses, strike anywhere in the world, and operate autonomously if needed. This bomber is not just an evolution of previous bombers, it is a complete transformation of aerial combat strategy. As military technology continues to advance and global threats become more complex, the B-21 Raider will be the cornerstone of America's air power strategy. Its combination of stealth, endurance, intelligence, and firepower makes it the most advanced bomber ever built. With its ability to strike deep into enemy territory without being detected, launch precision attacks, and integrate seamlessly with modern warfare networks, the B-21 will ensure that the United States remains the world's dominant air force for decades to come.